Welcome back to Rahul Texture. Today we are creating another beautiful textured art acrylic painting using palette knife techniques step by step for beginners. Textured art is all about creativity, patience, and enjoying the process. Throughout this painting, I will be using some of my favorite palette knife techniques to create depth, movement, and character. And as always, the texture medium used for this artwork is mentioned in the description below for anyone who would like to follow along. Applying texture medium on the canvas is always such a joyful experience. It is one of my favorite stages of the entire painting. Slowly, layer after layer, a plain canvas starts developing life and personality. Some areas are built thicker, some are kept softer. These variations create beautiful dimensions and natural movement. Texture building is not just a technique, it is a playful process where imagination flows freely. Watching those forms emerge gradually is always satisfying, and little by little, the foundation of the artwork begins to reveal itself. Now comes one of my favorite little tricks. The humble bottle cap becomes a magical tool. Combined with gentle dabbing techniques, it creates fascinating patterns and interesting impressions on the surface. Simple household objects can sometimes produce extraordinary results. By changing the direction and pressure, beautiful random textures start appearing. Every impression adds character and uniqueness. These tiny details eventually come together to create textured marvels. And that is the beauty of experimentation in abstract art. Now let us patiently wait for the texture to dry. And wow, the texture has turned out beautifully. Beautiful ridges, interesting grooves, elevations and valleys, all working together to create wonderful depth. These three-dimensional formations catch light differently from every angle. The highlights and shadows add even more drama to the artwork. This is what makes textured art so fascinating. The surface itself begins to tell a story. Now it is time to bring colors into the composition. We begin with a rich combination of burnt umber and black. These earthy shades establish a strong foundation and bring depth to the painting. Gradually, golden yellow is introduced. Its warmth immediately starts illuminating the texture. As the colors interact with the ridges and grooves, hidden details begin to emerge. And towards the final stages, white, metallic bronze, and turquoise blue will add elegance, brightness, and a beautiful contrast to complete the artwork. Blotting techniques are simple, yet they create amazing effects. By gently lifting and processing the colors, soft transitions appear naturally. This process creates beautiful irregular patterns that cannot be achieved with brushes alone. The beauty of blotting lies in its unpredictability. Every touch creates something unique. Harsh areas become softer, colors blend harmoniously. And sometimes the simplest techniques produce the most stunning results. Now comes the magic of metallic bronze, one of my favorite colors. This beautiful shade instantly brings richness and sophistication to the artwork. Using gentle sponging techniques, I carefully highlight the elevated textures. The metallic sheen catches the light beautifully, and suddenly the entire surface begins to glow. Warm bronze tones add elegance and depth. They create a subtle, antique character, and the texture comes alive with beautiful highlights and reflections. last but certainly not least, the finishing touch of turquoise blue. This refreshing color introduces vibrancy and balance to the composition. The contrast between the warm metallic bronze and the cool turquoise blue creates a stunning harmony. With just a few touches, the painting gains a fresh and contemporary appearance. The textures stand out beautifully. The colors complement each other perfectly, and wow, it has turned out absolutely beautiful. Every layer, every texture, and every color has come together to create something truly unique. And finally, here's the completed artwork in my signature style. I hope you enjoyed this creative journey as much as I enjoyed creating it. Thank you for spending your valuable time with Rahul Texture Art. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and most importantly, enjoy the beauty of textured art. See you in the next video.